Are your bra straps either digging into your shoulders or constantly slipping off? To adjust them, locate the slide adjuster on your straps. Pushing it away tightens them, while pulling it towards the cups loosens them. If you're trying on a new bra and need to adjust the straps to the tightest position, it may not be the right fit. Consider a smaller band size, since straps stretch over time. Remember that each strap may need different adjustments due to natural breast size variations. Also, check if your straps have lost elasticity or if your bra isn't the right size. A proper fit means the band provides the majority of support, allowing the straps to remain comfortably snug without digging in. If you're petite and consistently find your straps long, you can also have them shortened by a tailor. Lastly, always readjust your bra after washing and ensure the straps connect to the cups directly above the nipple for the best support.